Ever wondered how your day might change if you took a moment to relax and clear your mind? In this bustling world, the significance of mental well-being and relaxation practices cannot be overstated. We live in an era where stress, strife, and anxiety have become all too common, often dictating our moods and affecting our daily lives. But what if we could flip the script? This is where stress mitigation and TCWIU are on a mission to change the flow and create inner peace. Imagine a life where stress doesn't dictate your mood, but rather you have control over it. Relaxation, visualization, and meditation hold the keys to that control. You will learn all of these essential techniques from TCWIU. In this rapidly pacing world, the value of relaxation and meditation is more paramount than ever. They serve as a sanctuary, a safe haven in the midst of chaos. But the benefits extend far beyond a moment of peace. When you access the Change the Flow YouTube channel, which is sponsored by TCWIU, you'll discover a wealth of relaxation, visualization, meditation, and self-development techniques designed to create and sustain inner peace. Consider mental health, a topic we're beginning to understand and appreciate more each day. The World Health Organization has observed an alarming rise in stress-related disorders worldwide. But here's the good news. Numerous studies have shown that regular meditation can significantly reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety. It's like a mental workout, strengthening your ability to cope with life's challenges. On the Change the Flow channel, you'll learn our beginner's meditation practice in just 5 minutes. That's right, it will take 5 minutes of your time to teach you this invaluable and life-changing technique. Now, let's talk about productivity, a buzzword in the 21st century. Ever felt overwhelmed, like you're drowning in a sea of tasks? Meditation can be your lifeboat. It sharpens your focus, allowing you to navigate through tasks with ease. Harvard researchers found that just 8 weeks of meditation practice can increase the density of the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain associated with attention and executive decision-making. Lastly, let's not forget about our overall well-being. Relaxation and meditation help to create a harmonious balance within our body, mind, and spirit. They enhance sleep quality, boost immunity, and foster a positive outlook on life. In fact, the after effects of meditation is prolonged inner peace. So, it's not just an age-old practice, but a scientifically proven method to enhance your life quality. Now ponder this. How can you flawlessly merge relaxation and meditation into your lively schedule? The charm of these practices lies in their versatility and compatibility. You can smoothly weave these practices into your daily routine in a manner that suits your lifestyle. Discover a plethora of enlightening tips on our Change the Flow YouTube channel that are designed to direct you and help you incorporate relaxation, visualization, and meditation into your daily routine. Let's look at a comprehensive, step-by-step sample of one of our many relaxation and visualization techniques. First, pinpoint a peaceful and comfortable area. This could be any place, from the snug corner in your living room to the serene spot in your office cubicle, provided it offers you a moment of solitude. We passionately suggest the use of earplugs or noise-canceling headphones for complete immersion into the experience. The next step involves training your mind and body to accept tranquility. Take some time to make yourself comfortable and prepare for the tranquility that lies ahead. Your body is a dynamic source of energy. We aim to momentarily pause this energy during this brief session. Refrain from any unnecessary movement or any other activity that may disturb the body during this session. Then, surrender your body to relaxation. Release any tension or stress from the top of your head down to your toes. Simply be present. Close your eyes and maintain a conscious awareness. Imagine yourself lying on your back and floating in a soothing sea at a comfortable temperature of 80 degrees. You are looking up at a clear day sky filled with an array of white, fluffy clouds gently passing by. Engage in this visualization technique for a solid 3 minutes. Remember to set a soft alarm to mark the end of the session, thereby avoiding any abrupt disruption of your peaceful state of mind. The spotlight now shines on the Bridge of Light meditation technique, carefully taught by the experts at the Conscious World Initiative University, TCWIU. They have over 4 decades of experience teaching meditation to audiences around the world. This meditation technique is called 3=4. Let's go step by step. The first step involves securing a peaceful environment devoid of external noises or disturbances. It's recommended to keep your pets in a different room, making sure they won't accidentally distract you. The second step revolves around finding a comfortable position, be it cross-legged on a soft cushion or upright on a chair. The goal is to let your body completely relax. You don't want to move or fidget during your session. In the third step, close your eyes and maintain normal breathing. As your eyelids touch, cast a gentle, warm gaze straight ahead into the field of vision that unfolds before you. This should feel like resting for sleep, but with a heightened level of awareness and alertness behind your eyes. To guide your mind to tranquility, the fourth step involves mental repetition. As your mind begins to quieten down, distracting thoughts may start to surface. To counter this, silently repeat this 5-word phrase: "Inner peace begins with me." This mantra should be recited with deep concentration, visualizing each word in the center of the field of vision that you see before you. Inner peace begins with me. Inner peace begins with me. These are your 4 detailed steps to practice. The beauty is that they can be executed anywhere and at any time. Set your alarm for 5 minutes and enjoy this brief meditation session. The key to effective meditation is consistency. Start with 5 minutes in the morning and another 5 minutes in the evening. Commit to this for at least 21 days to establish the habit. Remember, like a river forming a canyon, it's the consistent, repeated practice that leads to profound change. It's not about the duration of each session, but the regularity. A mere 5 minutes a day can bring about a significant change. TCWIU organizes a Q&A Zoom check-in twice a month for beginners. The monthly schedule is on our Change the Flow YouTube channel. And remember, patience is just as key. Don't fret if your mind still chatters while using the mantra to control that chatter. Achieving serenity takes time and regular practice. Meditation is a marathon, not a sprint. You may not see results instantly, but rest assured they are quietly forming beneath the surface. You're setting the foundation for a calmer, more focused self. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and commence your transformative journey of relaxation and meditation. Setting off on this self-betterment and inner tranquility voyage doesn't need to be a solitary endeavor. Picture a trusted ally by your side, one who guides you, aids you, and provides you the instruments to chart your path. TCWIU, with their Change the Flow YouTube channel, offers this exact support. Change the Flow transcends being just a channel. It's a companionship of similar minds on a shared quest for tranquility, inner peace, enlightenment, and spiritual growth. It's a sanctuary where you can submerge in a plethora of knowledge and techniques to aid your relaxation and meditation journey. Our channel overflows diverse content fitting for all levels. Whether you're a beginner just testing the meditation waters or a seasoned practitioner looking to deepen your practice, we've got your back. We extend guided meditations to help you focus, relax, and unlock your inner peace. Our relaxation strategies offer practical methods to handle stress, foster calmness, and boost overall wellness. And our suggestions for personal growth? They fuel your evolution and transformation into the best version of you. But the journey doesn't stop here. We regularly refresh our content to ensure you always have new resources on hand. So why wait? Subscribe to Change the Flow today, check out our TCWIU website, register for our email updates, and let's set off on this journey to a more serene, joyful, enlightened you in unison.